What up, fam? Back again up in the building with y'all. I am in the windy city of Chicago. Just checked into the room. Nice little view for y'all. And really, really nice corner unit. Like super dope. I'll flip the camera over, but for right now, big ass TV, of course. But a nice corner view. But anyways, so this will be on my a day, or I guess this would actually be a weekend in the life of an interior designer, commercial interior designer. I am here at Chicago for the NeoCon show. It is the commercial interior design market show where you get to see all the new products for the year, for the upcoming year. So, and also here for IIDA, that's the International Interior Design Association. I am or will be president of my Hawaii Pacific chapter. So they're having their chapter leadership conference also this weekend. So I figured, why not? I'm gonna do y'all a little room tour, show y'all Chicago a little bit for them people who ain't been. Obviously I can't record a lot of the conference, but just, show y'all a little something, a little bit of how a day in the life is. Or weekend. We'll say weekend. Show you guys some food. Might even do like an architectural boat tour. I'm not sure yet, but for sure I want to go to Millennial Park and see that big old beam. So I'm definitely going to show you guys that and show you guys some products when we go to the show on Monday. Today is Friday. But all right, I am literally just gonna get unpacked, get some, lay some things out so that it won't be so wrinkled, and get ready, figure out what time sunset is, because I would like to probably go to the Bean around just before sunset, grab something to eat, and just kind of unwind a little bit. Y'all already know how it is when you be traveling all day. It was a 6-hour flight from Hawaii to Houston, and then another 2 hours from Houston to Chicago. I believe it was 2. It might have been 3. I have no makeup on, so I'm probably gonna do a face mask, scratch my hair, just really unwind, and then be out and about, and probably do like a little bit of email work, but nothing too crazy, because I have already worked a ton of hours this week. But yeah, y'all, just wanted to give you a little something, just a little taste of the brew. We are at the Wyndham Grand Riverfront. Obviously riverfront, yeah, get it. Anyways. So yeah, I really like this hotel because it's like the mart is literally like right over there where we're gonna go, just 2 blocks over and cross the street. And then the IIDA headquarters is literally around the corner, and Starbucks is on the way in between both of them. So it's like perfect. And of course, y'all know I got to get my little Chick-fil-A in while I'm here. My lips looking crushed. I look like I've been traveling. I'm sorry, y'all. But anyways, enough of me talking. I will catch y'all on the flip side. Give y'all a little bit more of this view as I fade out. And yeah. Catch y'all later. Deuces. All right, y'all. Now that I look a whole lot better than I did before, just kind of wanted to give you like a nice little view of the hotel lobby, of course with me in it. Yeah, so this is the Wyndham Grand Riverside in Chicago. I love the location. It's like literally right beside, well, across the river from the Trump Hotel, and everything is so near, so it's perfect. So y'all should check it out. Out and about, we headed to this restaurant here called River Roast. Exciting! Jenny's back there taking photos. Oh my goodness, this bridge is like shaking. I'm gonna keep walking because I'm not scared of bridges, but that shit was moving. Alright y'all, we made it to the beach. I like the reflection. You guys can't even see it because this is kind of dark. I'll just insert pictures instead. Morning guys, so here bright and early at IDA headquarters. We stopped at Starbucks and got us a little food, and now we're just here about to, we're like super early, so we're just like chilling out, grabbing something to eat, relax, and yeah. We have awesome headquarters. Like, I love this chair right here. So, yeah. Jenny in the background. So, super excited. Kind of wanted to show you guys my outfit of the day. It's going to be all day, long day. Talk story, conference. But, yeah. So, my outfit of the day. I wanted to wear my big necklace, but it just was like, it just didn't go. So I have on my leather earrings instead this time that match my leather shoes. And I had on a white blazer earlier, but I decided I might get a little colder and that's not gonna help. So I just have my black sweater and like a blousy see-through black shirt and my green high-waisted pants. So yeah, I love this office. It's so freaking dope. So yeah, and of course I'm gonna eat and then I'm gonna show you guys the view. So awesome. Love it.
To ask, right? Because you don't know them very well. But you're like, I want to plan for your visit. Could you send samples in advance? Could it be this? Could you do that? For you guys, it's like, you know, what color palettes are you looking at? What's leading your creativity? Where are you? Ask the questions. There's nothing wrong with asking questions. It's not going to turn them off. It's going to turn them on. So, oh, here, wrong place. So fifth tenant.
They are the best neighbors ever, and we share time and resources, and they're very generous to be hosting our chapter awards. And so you guys know, right, in a number of the sessions we talked about the chapter benchmarking assessment, and I think I said last year we need to change the damn name of that thing because it is not sexy at all.
This is really nice. The Center of Architecture. This might be one of the best breakfasts I think I've ever had. This is delicious. Good. Me and Jenny kill
Your life by having a conversation. So turn those lights down. You can put them up when I get off. But turn them down so I can see the audience for this minute and a half I have left. Turn down those lights.
All right, y'all, day three? Day three, we just left the annual meeting. I showed some clips of that. And so we're just out walking around in Chicago, enjoying. You see the the lions in the background. And we're going to the Bean during the day. So I'll insert some clips of that. And then we're going to the Hayworth cocktail party. Hayworth is a commercial dealership, furniture designer. So yeah, just wanted to pop up here and show y'all a little bit. Yeah. So pretty iconic building, especially with all these big artist names. This is the Art Institute of Chicago, and how fitting. All right, what up, fam? Last day here. Headed to the Mart. I didn't get my badge yesterday, so on my way to get my badge, going to the NeoCon show. I think I told you guys what NeoCon was earlier in the week, but if not, NeoCon is basically the commercial interior design showcase. Where they show you all new products and everything. So I'm headed to that. I was trying to get my badge yesterday, but I was having some difficulties. And of course they closed on me. So I'm here bright and early. It is the coolest day that it's been. So because it's the coolest day, but of course it's the last dang day, I have a dress on and sweater. Cold and tired. I'm mainly cold just because, you know, I've already worn all my warm clothes. And I kind of didn't want to repeat the same thing-ish, you know. So, got my legs out today. But I got my sweater on, so it's cool. River right here. Oh, greenery right now. But yeah, I feel like I look tired. I am tired. It is 7 in the morning right now. Probably gonna stop at the Kimball showroom and get some breakfast. After I get my badge, hopefully I don't have any issues with that. So, yeah, figured I would walk and blog. It's been a great time. It's definitely a good time to be an African-American interior designer right now, especially in the International Interior Design Association. So, all right, I'm gonna cover up my hands for a little bit and walk. I'll see y'all on the inside.
So this one, oh look, you know what else?
14. This one? Right here, so should we go on this line?
We should, because it says 14.
Yeah. Like a private conversation.
So we're in line for the elevators, guys, because that's just how busy it is. Alright guys, so we are super early. It hasn't even opened up yet. Because it's not going to look like that in the rest of the vlog. But this is the Holly Hunt. Janice Etsy. I'm excited. Look at these lights. Bed and Kurt, my road dogs here. I think we have like, what time is it? We have like 5 minutes?
5 minutes.
5 minutes. Well, that's back at house. This is gonna be nice, y'all. Excited. I'm gonna have to go through it fast because I check out
I'm gonna keep gems
early.
that I hear
Well, no,
today.
I don't. I check out and leave before it even
I know,
starts.
I like it.
So, but basically, these are just all the commercial or hospitality companies through. So I won't walk you guys through the whole thing, but just give you guys an insight. So, this is gonna be exciting. Yes. First showroom on deck.
Really need to read myself.
Alright, so we're in the Didon showroom. Or Didon, whatever. Anyways.
I'm just gonna look out.
We got the swings. This is all outdoor furniture. Commercial outdoor furniture.
I'll do one just looking away.
It's pretty dope. Nice leg
I'm just gonna
with wheels that rolls. Black. Then you have your umbrellas. I'm gonna sit in this.
I think it's my
Of course, I had to get in this swing. Pretty dope, y'all. Ooh, I like that ceiling though. VS furniture here. I expect a lot of this on educational. That's my problem. And we proud. Still, again, this is all